Before, kitchen island
So
outfitted
afternoon,
with
everyone. This is a
glamorous UV
preview of what I
marble,
did
sheets to 9 feet by 4
recently.
feet gray.
And I'm going to show you
J
what we're working on today
$15,000
in
per
the same
sheet.
building and what we're about to do. So this is an island area, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use these, which are the fluted panels, to go here around this corner. As you can see, it has a bend, so we're gonna cut the fluted panel so that it can wrap around here. And we're gonna use some marble sheet on this area, all right, which is here. We're gonna use this gold color to contrast with this fluted panel. And also we have the gray marble sheet that we're gonna be using on this area and some areas here in this kitchen, all right? So stay with us as I show you how this transformation will turn out. All right, stay tuned.
Final look, glamorous high-quality UV marble sheets. On concrete kitchen sides.